Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to open a US bank account in Payoneer. Whether you're looking to create a US bank account for your business, or you're a freelancer, or you are doing e-commerce, this is a good platform to use. The first thing you'll need to do is go onto Payoneer.com. Once you're on Payoneer.com, I want you to tap on check-in. After you have tapped on check-in, you will be redirected to this page, and from here you'll be able to choose the type of account that you want to create. Whether you're a freelancer, you're an online seller, or you want to create one for an agency or digital marketing, or you want to create one for your vacational rental, or you simply want to create a personal bank account, you can do that. You can select either one of these options. So let's say, for example, I would like to create one as a freelancer. So I'm going to tap on freelancer right here. After you have done that, you'll see what I'm looking for is this. And I'm going to tap on take full advantage of Payoneer to send and receive global payments. So I'm going to tap on that. After you have done that, you're going to see receive payments from international clients or freelance work platforms. And I'm going to tap on check in. After you have selected check-in, you will be redirected to this page, and from here all you'll need to do is tap on individual. Then you're going to simply fill in your name right here. So you're going to add your name. Let me do that real quick. So you'll add your name, you'll add your last name, then you're going to add your email address, and you're going to re-enter it and add your birthday. So let me do this real quick and then tap on check-in. Once you're finished filling in your address, you'll be redirected to a new page on which you are going to fill in some security details, and then you'll be finished. Once you're finished, I'll show you what to do next. Complete with the sign-up process, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. And all you'll need to do is go over to the left-hand menu option, and let's say, for example, we were to tap on get paid. You could tap on receiving accounts, and I will show you from here that with Payoneer, you'll get access to not only accounts in the United States as a non-resident, but you'll also get access to accounts in practically any country you want. As you can see right here, I have accounts in Japan, so you can see if I were to tap on view details, you can see that with Payoneer, you get access to accounts in Japan, as you can see right here. So it doesn't matter which country you're getting paid from, you'll be able to access that using Payoneer. And in United States, you'll get access to Bank of America accounts, as you can see right here. And whether you would like to get paid or you would like to pay someone, it is quite easy to do on Payoneer. All you have to do is go over to the left-hand menu option, and let's say you'd like to pay someone, you could tap on pay. Then you will select pay to recipient's Payoneer account, or you could pay to recipient's bank account, or if you'd like to pay an Amazon advertising invoice, you can do that, or pay VAT, you can do that. And you can also withdraw and transfer money from your account, so you can transfer it to your local bank account, or you can transfer it to someone else, as you can see right here. And that's basically it with Payoneer. It's quite easy to use, and they do charge a small fee for each transaction, but that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.